All right, so we are going to learn about multiplying exponents. So to multiply, the term must have the same base, and when multiplying, the base stay the same, and you will focusing on adding the exponent when you are multiplying. Okay, so we have some example right here. So if we want to do x to the 5th times x to the 7, we add the exponent and keep the base the same. So you got x to the 12th. All right, and if you see the coefficient, okay, for example, the next problem right here, we're going to multiply the coefficient, which is 4 times 2, give you 8, right? X to the 3rd times x squared, we add the exponents, you got x to the 5th, and y to the 6th, could we do 2 add 4? Okay, so let's do this. So 4 times 3 get me 12 for the coefficient. X to the 1st times x to the 4th get me x to the 5th. Could you add the exponent? All right, the next one, 3 times 1. There's nothing, so it's 1. 3 times 1 is 3, times 2 will be 6 for coefficient. X to the 7, square, x to the 3. The total will be 12. Y 5th to y 1st will be y to the 6th. Okay, this one right here, x to the 3rd times x to the negative 5 will be x to negative 2. Because 3 add negative 5 will be negative 2. Y to the 5th. Right? Now, x to negative 2 will have to be positive exponent for your final answer. So if you see a negative exponent, we have to flip or we do the reciprocal. So we have x squared to the bottom, okay? And y to the 5th will still stay the same, okay? All right. So negative 2 times 3, you got negative 6, okay? 3 add negative 4 will be negative 1. Y negative 2 and y to the 5th will be y to the 3rd. Okay, negative 2 add 5 is 3. And then z to the negative 2, because it's by itself. All right, now remember coefficient always stay where they are, right? It is the number, so we don't put negative 6 at the bottom, okay? But x to the negative 1 will be at the bottom, which is x. Negative 6 stay on the top, y to the 3rd stay on the top, and z square, okay? Okay, so negative exponent will need to do positive exponent by doing the reciprocal. If they're at the bottom, we put it to the top. If at the top, we put it at the bottom and change negative to be positive.